Hey everybody, this is our daily agenda for Tuesday, June 1st. Welcome to June, folks. Alright, so for today, we've got a really fun day lined up. We're going to start off with our Do Now for Quill, and we're going to be doing end of the year activities really for the next couple of days. We're kind of wrapping up our school year, ladies and gentlemen, so I just want to let you know we're going to be doing some fun end of the year activities together as a class. We're going to have a little bit of a meditation corner, and then some class competitive games, such as a Jeopardy time, potentially a scavenger hunt time, and some I Spy games. And then for our exit ticket, we're really going to be reflecting at and looking at how our academic experiences this last year have really contributed to your success as a lifelong learner. So really easy couple of days, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to take the time to kind of talk, hang out a little bit, and really wrap up our school year. Just as a reminder, final grades are going to be posted soon, so just letting you guys know. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in class. Bye.